Hi everyone, my name is Aishwarya Suryavanshi and I'm 2014 BCA pass out. Today I'm working with Accenture. So few years back I was in the same place where you all are right now, with all the fears, anxiety in mind, as in what to do after 12th, what to do after graduation, how will I build myself during graduation. Well, today, standing here, I just want to thank the entire BCA family for the amazing opportunities and the beautiful learning experience that I have had over the 3 years. For me, BCA was my second home. All the credits to my teachers and amazing management. They will not only help you in academics, but they will help you excel 360 degrees. I was always a good learner, but never had so many certifications or curricular activities in my name. For especially the first year students out there, this is the time when you're going to mold your personalities, you're going to have a lot of opportunities, you're going to hit the corporate world in the near future. This college will take care from building your resume to clearing interviews. There is an excellent placement committee which will take care of getting good MNCs and good companies to the campus. It is so easy to get placed from this college because the college helps you with the preparations right from the first year. By the mid of third year, I would say you will have a job in your hand already before completing your course. The personality development sessions, soft skill trainings, the placement preparations, I think are the highlights of this college. My personal favorite part is the way college arranges and manages students to participate in various cultural and technical festivals. Now it is really important to take part in these festivals because it will help you improvise on your communication skills, your management skills. It will help you unleash various skills within yourself. The college always maintains a balance between your co-curricular activities and your academics. There are a lot of other perks. So every time I visited this college, I've always seen new features added to the campus. Now we have a well-equipped gym on campus. There is a yoga teacher and yoga sessions available on campus. There is a counselor, there's a doctor on campus. So BCA department also has smart classrooms. For first year students, there is a bridge course. Now what is that? So for students who do not have maths as a subject in their 12th standard versus students who have learnt maths as a subject in their 12th. The bridge course will help the non-math students to cope up with the math students. So another good feature is the study tour. The college arranges study tour to beautiful cities like Hyderabad, Bangalore, Mysore, Goa, Shimla. So you can actually visit the corporate companies and see the working culture, understand how companies work, how industries work. You get to learn a foreign language during your 3 years, of course. Now, most of the features that I've mentioned were there when I was there as a student 6 years back. So I'm sure there are a lot of other things added now to the course and to the infrastructure as well. The college is now autonomous, meaning you have an opportunity to learn the latest technologies which are in trend, which are in demand in the market. You are going to be job ready. I, as a student, I don't remember a day when I was sitting idle in the college. My teachers always taught me how to grab opportunities. So if you've already taken admissions in BCA, good choice. Your future is bright. All the very best. Thanks everyone and all the best for your future.